Look at that. While I'm in there working, I've got these hummers. My word, there's 4 of them around there, darting back and forth. We've had as many as 7 or 8 in there. And that's fun too. Getting something like that. You see how I hung it off of the metal railing? I got this at home, Lowe's. It just kind of flaps onto there and tightens up, and it comes over like that, and we hung the hummingbird feeder on there. We've got 2 of these. We've got another one on the other side, and that one's generally full. It's just nice sitting here late afternoon in the shade and watching them go to town. Very cool indeed. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.